What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So I'm just getting my morning ready to take the pup out for a dog park day, and I got my coffee. I'm ready to go. Making some breakfast right now. So yeah, guys, I'm excited for today because I'm going to answer a few more questions from you, because a lot of you have been throwing a lot of questions in the comment section of my YouTube channel, so I'm appreciative of all that. So guys, I'm going to answer a question. Stay tuned, but first, let's get to the dog park. All right, boys, and girls. So I'm here with the Rad Whip. It's been too long, yeah, that's my pup. It's been way too long. I have not driven her for probably over 15 days because my wife and I took a trip to Europe. Yeah, we went to Europe, and if you follow my Instagram account, you'll see all the photos that I've uploaded. It was fun. You know, we went there for 15 days, and it was more work than leisure, but we had a blast, and it was a lot of fun. Come here, bud. Really? You know, I gotta code it that when I unlock the car, all the doors open, because it gets kind of annoying. And you know what? Let me show you something. For all of you that are pet owners and love to travel with your dog. So this guy has some pretty long nails, and I got this really cool seat protector that's pretty durable. On the bottom, it's like waterproof material. It even has like zippers to like accustom to your interior. It even comes with like a seatbelt buckle that attaches to the seatbelt, and it goes onto his little strap over here. It's pretty awesome, guys. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in my bio, or in the description. It's not Instagram, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. So if you have dog owners, I totally recommend this because it's so worth it. It protects your interior, even though BMW has some pretty dope, thick, like leather interior that, you know, takes a lot to scratch it. I still like to be precautious, right? So anyways, excuse the mess, but yeah, this totally recommended if you have pets. Boom. All right, he is set to go. All right, what is up, guys? I'm here with the pup, and we're traveling to the dog park. But I thought meanwhile I would talk with all of you about a question that I get a lot on my YouTube channel, and it's regarding tuning. And guys, I'm not the tuning expert, even though I do a lot of videos on tuning your car. I learned my lesson, because if you guys follow me, yes, I did mess up a cylinder in my motor, which I guess another term, it's like blowing up your motor, right? But yeah, my 320i cannot handle the tune. I have a video on that. I am not gonna rant about that. Yes, so I do have experience with tuning cars. I did a lot of research. So I got this question from Alejandro, and he asked if the 320 Xdrive can be tuned and if it would cause it. Look at this clown over here. Bruh, I don't want to race you. My car is like super cold. I just can't, guys. I just can't. Alejandro, back to your question. You have an Xdrive N20 motor. The tuning only adjusts the motor. It doesn't touch the transmission unless you do like X delete, which I don't believe boot mode offers. I believe that's only an MHD tuning that offers an X delete, where you can, you know, delete the whole aspect of all-wheel drive and go rear-wheel drive, because BMWs are mostly S-drives, not X-drives. X-drive means that the computer of BMW basically monitors it by a millisecond, which if like one wheel lags, the other wheel picks it up, both axles engage, and that's how it works. It's not four-wheel drive, it's just all-wheel drive, which means all wheels would calibrate according to one wheel lagging and the other would be reinforced, right? So as far as the transmission goes, and or at least the way that differentials work within BMWs, tuning the car should not affect Xdrive. In fact, Brian from Kies Motorsports has a 335i that's Xdrive, and he tuned it, and he didn't have any issues at all. So again, do some research, but from what I have seen, and I'm not an expert at all, but if I can share some advice, Xdrives does not make a difference in tuning the car or not. So I hope that helps, Alejandro. And if you do tune it, let me know. Tag me on Instagram on a video, maybe, of your results. Because guys, I'm telling you, when you tune your car, it's fun as heck, and it's like you've basically got another car. That's what it feels like you've gotten another car. But anyways, I hope that helped, Alejandro. Again, tuning your N20 motor, I will always side on I would always side with caution because of my own experience. There are people that have better access to a higher grade of fuel. Again, if you're in California, Arizona, or Nevada, 91 just won't cut it. 93 octane is a really good quality of gas, at least for tuning. And if you have that, along with great airflow and great compression and, you know, all that jazz, your tune will be phenomenal. But I don't know, I'm kind of scared now to tune N20 motors, unless it's a 328, because again, it has somewhat a little bit more reinforced components that can handle a tune. But yes, anyways, yeah, guys, I hope that helped. Thanks for the comment and the question. Guys, if you have any questions at all, drop it and I will feature your comment on the channel. That's what I'm doing to engage with all of you. I do read the comments like religiously. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and I will catch you next week. I'll see you.